Good afternoon. My name is Hae-Seon Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will explain about the Labor Standard Act Article 39, which is the Certificate of Employment. So, could you define the content of this article, please?
Yeah. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. According to the Article 39 of the Labor Standard Act, employee should issue the certificate of employment or job experience about the employee's work experience there. So this is a legal requirement for employee to issue such a certificate. If employer reject to issue such a the certificate of employment, then they'll be charged for negligence of for their legal duty, like they must issue the certificate of employment within 30 years from their resignation. Yeah. So in this certificate of employment must include some basic information about the period of service, also job title, salary, and also something related with the employee's previous job experience there. So if employer include something negative, the remark about the employees work experience there, it is wrong, it is violation. They can only stipulate what is true, also what they requested. Yeah.
I see. I believe that there's a certain condition of issuing the certificate of employment, especially in terms of number of employees.
Yeah. So the company that hired 5 workers or more must keep the employees' document for 30 years. So this is their legal duty. So also anyone who served there for more than 30 days, employees should keep their document for coming 30 years after they resigned. So 30 days of work experience. Also when employee resigned, then within 30 years from their resignation, employees should keep their personal document. Then if they request for some issuance for the certificate of employment, employee should issue such a certificate. If they reject it, then they'll be fined for not following this legal requirement. Yeah.
So, did the Gangnam Labor Law Firm, among the clients that you have advised, was there any case where the employer refused to issue the certificate of employment?
Yeah, there are sometimes I received some question about this the matter related to certificate of employment. So one case I took it very seriously because employer refused to issue the certificate of employment. So I asked formally to this employee about issuance of employment certificate of employment. So the employee continuously reject this request. So I complained. I sent a complaint letter to the labor office. So labor office, the labor inspector called the employer. If they do not refuse to issue the certificate of employment, they will fine for this negligence. So employee has to issue some certificate of the employment for that employee. So I solved this one, because this is the legal requirement by law that employee should issue certificate of employment within 30 years from their resignation date.
So especially the worker who has resigned the previous job, if he wants to move to another job, he may need this certificate of employment.
Yes.
And if the employer refused to issue this, then it would be sometimes difficult to get a new job.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's very important. But the employee should issue this certificate of employment within 3 years. So after 3 years, 3 years from their resignation, then employer doesn't have to issue because it's their choice from that time. So 3 years is legal requirement, just like their legal duty to keep all the employment related document for 3 years for each employee after they resigned. Yeah.
I see. Do you wish to add any more comment about this article?
I think regarding labor law, 3 years is very important. All conditions they have to keep the maintaining the document for 3 years. So also claim for any unpaid wage, they should take it within 3 years. So also this issuance of certificate of employment also within 3 years from their resignation, they must keep the following this legal requirement. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.